Hello everyone, so in this video we'll be talking about polynomial operations, recapping those. So in order to simplify this first expression, the first thing I want to do is distributive property. So I've got 10 times n squared, that'll give me 10n squared, 10 times n, that'll give me positive 10n. Next up I want to distribute the negative 6, so that's going to give me minus 6n squared, negative 6 times negative 2, that'll give me positive 12. Then finally, I just want to see if I can combine like terms and then put this into descending order, which means from highest exponent to lowest exponent. So I do have a couple n squareds that I can combine here. 10n squared, 10n squared minus 6n squared, that'll give me 4n squared. And then I've just got plus 10n plus 12. That's all I can do. Oh, bad box. That's all I can do for that one. I'm not asking to solve it. I am just simplifying it. So I'm getting it using the distributive property and combining like terms. All right, what about this second one? Again, we first see distributive property. So I'm going to distribute the 3 to everything in those parentheses. And I should get 15b squared plus 6b minus 12. All right, next up, I want to distribute, we already used purple, let's use green. I need to distribute negative b to everything in that second group of parentheses. All right, negative b times 7b squared, that's going to give me negative 7b to the third. Because I've got b times b squared, I've got 3 b's that are now multiplying together. Okay, so negative 7b to the third. Negative b times 2b, that'll give me negative 2b squared. The exponent's going to change because I got 2 b's multiplying themselves now. All right, and then last but not least, we got negative b times negative 3. That'll give me positive 3b. So all the multiplying's done. Now we just need to combine like terms. So we've got negative 7b cubed. We've only got one b cubed term, so we're done with this one. Next up is the b squareds. We have 15b squared minus 2b squared. That'll give me 13b squared. So we're done with those now. Now, next we've got 6b plus 3b. That'll give me 9b. And then last but not least, we've got this minus 12. All right, so that is how we simplify those. Next up, let's deal with multiplying some binomials together. We've got y minus 2 times the quantity 3y plus 4. Now, they're both in parentheses. So this is going to require me to double distribute. What do I mean by that? So let's talk about this. I need to distribute y to everything from the second group. And I need to distribute that negative 2 to everything in the second group. All right, so this could look like y times 3y plus 4. Minus 2 times 3y plus 4. So that's what I mean by double distribute. We need to distribute everything from the first parentheses to the entire group that's the second parentheses. All right, so y times 3y, that's going to give me 3y squared. Y times 4, that's going to give me 4y. Now I distribute the negative 2. Negative 2 times 3y is negative 6y. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Combine those like terms, so I'm going to end up with 3y squared minus 2y minus 8. And that's all I can do there. Next up is x plus 5, that quantity squared. I cannot just take that exponent of 2 and distribute it in across an addition or a subtraction sign. This is big no-no. No. We can't do that. All right, it's not x squared plus 5 squared. Bad. We don't want that, all right? Instead, we have to remember an exponent means repeated multiplication. So what I'm doing here is taking x plus 5 times itself. X plus 5 times x plus 5. And now I can double distribute. I'll get x squared plus 5x. And if I distribute the 5 to both terms, I'll get 5x plus 25. Now I can combine like terms, and I've got x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay? And in our last example, we've got 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. So these are really close to being the same thing, but one's plus and one's minus. So let's double distribute. Let's see what happens. 2x times 2x, well, that'll give me 4x squared. 2x times negative 1 will give me negative 2x. Now I need to distribute the 1. 1 times 2x will give me positive 2x. 1 times negative 1 will give me minus 1. Combine our like terms. You'll see negative 2x plus 2x. Those will actually cancel out. And I'll just be left with 4x squared minus 1. Okay, so that is a recap on polynomial operations. Let me know if you have any questions.